Whether you are recovering from an injury or surgery, have limited mobility, or simply need extra support, introducing the Vive Health Bed Assist Rail with a bag. The sturdy and reliable bed rail is designed to help you or your loved one get in and out of bed with greater confidence and ease. The patented compact design fits any bed, so it can perfectly fit your needs. With its non-slip handle and sturdy construction, the Bed Assist Rail provides secure and stable grip. The bag holds all the essential items you could need during the night or a quick nap. Installation is easy and secure with a safety strap for anchoring the bed rail to the opposite side of the frame. Enjoy greater peace of mind and support with the Vive Health Bed Assist Rail. Order yours today to start experiencing more confident and secure mobility.